My friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro and node.js. In this one here today I'm going to actually show you how to deal with objects in node.js. Now some guys may ask me what's really object or how can we deal with what is it really. Now I'm going to explain them to you in codes because I may not manage give you straight on words. Now I will just come straight in my node here down my CMD. I'm going to declare my variable. I may just declare my variable as maybe a person. I just say person, simple. I'll just say person, which person is going to be equaling to. Now whenever you're dealing with, or whenever you're happening to deal with whenever you're dealing with objects, whether in JavaScript or whether in node.js, we always make sure we end with the same colon. And what do we always use? We use one known as curly brackets. So inside the curly bracket, that's where actually I'm going to be giving my my variables. That my first name or the first name of the person, which since it is a string, a name of the person is a string, please indicate a string in it or show a string in it. Now my first name is OSP. Give a comma. And then the last name is actually Pro. That's what I'll just simply tell you in this case here. Then I can also talk about the age in this case around. Just indicate the age. Now the age you can either put it in form of a string or you can decide not to give it in form of a string in your program. So mine, I can just put my age. If this is my age, I just happen to give it like that in my program. So that's what so far guys we have in our program. If I happen to press enter, that implies so far I've already defined my variable within the program. So in this case around, I would like us just now at the moment to make sure that in this program we are having, how can we call for this function so that we can obtain it down. Remember, if you just have to come in down and say person here down in the program, if you just type in here person, you'll discover that it will produce for us this. Now we no longer want that because that's what we gave in as a statement. Can't I pick the first name as first name, and can't I pick the last name or my age as a age? Now to do such kind of things, it is what we do in programming. Now I know guys know how to declare variable right from our first programming. You know how to work with the variables, and now I believe also now you are objects. I would like also guys to master this down. Whenever you're dealing with objects, you have to talk about the object name and also the property name of the object you're trying to deal with. Now in this case of mine, the object name actually is called the person. Now whenever you're dealing with that, let me just even comment down here for you. You have to always deal with one as the object name, which again you have also deal with also in that name. You also have to give, I cannot simply say you have to give on a simple term the variable the way you declare the variable. I will simply say now the variable name. I will say proper name, but let me just call it variable name for easy demonstration for my guys so that we all of us be on the same ground. Now here I'm just going to be calling for my person, which I've explained to object name. Then I'm going to pick the variable name. Which one? What do I want to pick? The first name, last name, or the age? Now if I say maybe the first name, that's what I mean. If I just say first name, trust me, if I happen to press enter, oh sorry, I'm not trying to declare another variable, sorry. Let me just try to console that console.log, whereby now I would like to pick my first name because that's what actually we happen to pick in the program app. Person, which is dot actually first name. Now I think you guys can see me here. Sorry for this mistake that I happened to. I think you can see this being key sensitive. I think you have seen a problem there. That's why it didn't give us out the right answer. So now you try to console out for us actually here dot first name. This is the object name, which is person, and then the variable which I happen to declare, which is holding for the first name, which is OSP. That's it. So you try this in the program. Now when I try to tell the program to console for me that actually console.log the person dot first name, it will give me the OSP. Let me just show you another one also, so that guys will get the strong heart upon what I'm trying to give around here. So if also now I try to pick the next person, which is dot actually last name, which the last name. So if I happen to save that, trust me, we shall get a pro in our program. This is what I wanted, my friends, to pick an independent variable which you declared, to pick the same value with from its function. The same applies to age, that if I told you like also to pick the age of the person you want in your program, still to look for you that. Now I want us to show you within this one's means how can I join all the first name, last name, and the age of a person into one complete program. So just do this. Type the console.log. Console.log. Now we would like now to pick a particular person, name, last name, and then the age. So I will just say, actually I'll just bring like this and say my name is. So don't forget how to join. Always use a plus operator or addition operator in our program. So what am I joining? Remember, I'm now joining what known as the object. Now whenever you're dealing with and you're trying to join object, I encourage you use these two double quotes in your program and add another plus operator to give the space between the first statement of where the is ends and the next statement, which is an object. So here we'll just put their person now, which is going to be dot the first name of that person that you try to pick in the program. So that implies, by this case, if I try to run this program, say my name is, then the person is the first name, which is always P. You can also join the other second statement by putting there an operator, and then you come in here, you try to pick it, also give it a space so that when it's coming to join, there's a space between the program, and that's also person name, which is the object name, and then also pick the last name, which is the property name or the variable name you happen to declare in your program. Then I would also encourage you coming down in the program, and what should you do? Do the same thing also again. Try to give a space in the program. Then let us also pick the age. I'll simply say, since the age is basing okay, I'll simply say my name is OSP Pro, and I'm now that ends with this, then plus, and I'm now, so that implies, and I'm now, what should I say? So sorry, I'll just happen to give that person dot age, which is the age of the person that you're trying to pick in the program. Then you can also put a plus. Remember, you're not joining the statement into one complete bracket of the statements. Then plus, I'm just going to say, and I'm now, years old, or I'm just say years old. That's what, guys, we have in this program here. So that's it. So if I happen to press enter, this is what I was trying to mean to you guys in my program here. My name is OSP Pro, and I'm now 50 years old. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to OSP channel, and don't forget, where now we have reached, we have now finished all, we are soon completing all the basics that guys would have been saying upon in node.js. So I would request you guys, if you're just still new to my tutorial programming with node.js, I encourage you guys, please go and watch my first videos, watch them, like them, try to find more, please. And I would request you guys, please subscribe to my channel, comment down, please share this video to your friends. I love you guys. Thank you.